Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study IELTS by myself. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, including its 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Knowing how you'll be scored helps you focus your efforts effectively. Next, honestly evaluate your current English level. This initial assessment will highlight your strengths and pinpoint areas needing more attention. Finally, develop a consistent study plan. Even 1 to 2 hours of focused practice each day can make a significant difference. To build your listening skills, immerse yourself in various English audio, like podcasts or news, and try to summarize what you hear. For reading, tackle academic articles and practice identifying main ideas and specific details under timed conditions. When it comes to writing, regularly practice both Task 1 and Task 2 essays. Pay close attention to sentence structure, vocabulary, and grammatical accuracy. Consistent practice across all these areas is key to improvement. Regular full-length practice tests are crucial for familiarizing yourself with the exam's pace and pressure. Try to complete them under strict timed conditions. For speaking, record yourself answering common IELTS questions. Listen back to identify areas for improvement in pronunciation, intonation, and vocabulary. Don't hesitate to get feedback on your written work from a tutor, a native English speaker, or even reliable online grammar checkers. This external perspective is invaluable. Continuously expand your vocabulary, especially academic words and common idiomatic expressions, as these are highly valued in the IELTS exam. Remember to stay motivated throughout your self-study journey. Track your progress, celebrate every small improvement, and remind yourself of your goal. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Good luck with your preparation. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.